learn about a very simple function which is called the print function. And so the print function is basically an inbuilt function which is available to us. And to know about any function signature, you can use this command. So yeah, so it's a print which takes some argument. If you want to put some separators, or and you want to define like a new line, if you want to, or something else, you want to put tab or something, you can define. And these are the definitions, like how you can use that. Okay, so it's basically takes out an argument and it print it. For example, print this is test print. So once you execute that, you can, so in Jupyter you can print alt enter on Windows, shift enter on Mac. However, if you are not using that, you can use this run. So if you can see, this is the code which we have executed and this is the output, right? So that is how we should see. So whatever you will get here is an output. And you see that whatever we are writing on inside the print function is being printed on the as an output. So that is the print function, which is very simple function. And that's all for this video. See you in the next video.